Imagine finding a simple coin in your pocket and someone tells you it's worth $26 million. Yes, today we're talking about the 1990 Malaysia 50 sen coin, a coin that many people believe could make them rich overnight. But here's the big question: is it really worth millions, or is it just internet hype? Stay till the end because the truth might shock you. Welcome back to Old Coin Vault, your trusted place for rare coin values, hidden treasures, and real facts. Every day, people search online. 1990 Malaysia 50 sen coin value $1 million. Some even believe this coin has sold for huge amounts. But today we're going deep into real value, mintage details, rare error possibilities, and why people think it's worth millions. Let's first understand the coin itself. The 1990 Malaysia 50 sen coin is part of Malaysia's second coin series. Here are the official specifications. Year 1990. Metal copper nickel. Weight around 9.28 grams. Diameter about 27.7. Edge lettered with Bank Negara Malaysia. And here's something very important. Around 26,276,464 coins were minted. That's over 26 million coins, which means it is not rare in general circulation. Now let's talk about the design because collectors love details. On the coin you'll see a traditional Malaysian motif, often linked to cultural symbols like the ceremonial kite. The inscription Bank Negara Malaysia. The denomination 50 sen. This coin represents Malaysia's rich cultural identity, but design alone does not make it valuable. Now comes the truth that most videos won't tell you. The actual market value of this coin is usually between 30 cents to $2.50 depending on condition. Even in uncirculated condition, it may reach around 50 cents to 65 cents. Yes, you heard that right. Not thousands. Not millions. Just a few dollars at most in normal cases. So why are people claiming it's worth $26 million? There are three main reasons. Confusion with mintage number. The number 26,276,464 is actually how many coins were made, not the price. Clickbait videos and fake listings. Some online posts show unrealistic prices to attract views. Mix up with rare error coins. Some coins with minting errors can be valuable, but that's extremely rare. Now here's the interesting part.